Hi again. In this part of video, I want to finish the detail of the internal detail of the garden. So the first thing, I must copy this up party of decor and to copy it for to finish the party of decoration of the garden. So I click to the copy and I distributed this up party for each decor here, and I deleted this part because it's not good here. So I think I can finish this. This is 2 here. I must copy this up party and to this two places. So I save the change, and now I start to design a chair. So and just you can just do samples. You can also upload it from blog AutoCAD in the internet. So you click in Google blogs for chair in AutoCAD, and you have more and more model for to have as samples for this. So this is just an idea, and I prefer it that you do the same thing that I do now for the 3D object. So will be more simple and more valuable, especially when you started to design in AutoCAD. So I think it will be better to design it your personal model or samples of object. So this is 3 squares that I extract it, and I will color. I will find the good color for the chair here. I think this will be a great color. So, and I have here a good object that resembles the chair of the garden, and I copy it as you see in a different part for of the garden. Also in the side of the garden, I take 2 ones here, and I zoom real to find this will be the final detail of what will be in the internal of the garden. Now I pass to another important thing, to how to color the surface of the object. So not all the object, but just a surface of the object. So I click to this command and I select the color that I want. Okay, and just to see that it's color just the surface, and I do the same thing again, and I specify this surface as another example. So as you see, this is the red color for the surface. I choose the second surface is this, and I do the same color, for example. So as you see, this is the utility of the command that to color just a surface. So for example, that you want to color a multiple of surface between 2 or 3 color difference, or more code difference, it's this is the command available. You can also select multiple surface, different surface, and you can do the same color and to find this result. So this is the utility of this command. So see you for the next video.